Looking for a creamy, fruity, and super refreshing treat? Today we're making Jet Thai, a colorful Vietnamese dessert made with assorted tropical fruits, jelly, and yummy coconut sauce. You can use coconut milk and condensed milk to make it easy, but I think a simple coconut sauce makes the dessert 10 times better. Simmer the milk and sugar until the sugar dissolves, then refrigerate until completely cooled. While the sauce cools, prepare the classic ingredient, red rubies. Add a few drops of red food coloring to the water chestnuts and stir until they are evenly colored. Add the tapioca starch and toss until evenly coated. Use a fine mesh sieve to remove excess starch. Drop the coated water chestnuts into boiling water and cook for a few minutes until they begin to float. Remove with a strainer and transfer to a bowl of iced water. Let them sit for about 10 minutes to cool completely, then drain well. In a large bowl, combine pandan jelly, nata de coco, red rubies, jackfruit, and canned light cheese with the syrup. Pour in the sweetened coconut milk and gently stir until well distributed. Refrigerate until well chilled and serve cold over ice. Enjoy!